We've left Glastonbury Abbey. Now we're going to have a look around the town. But before we do that, I'm going to have a cup of coffee at this place and a nice piece of cake. There are so many little lanes and courtyards in Glastonbury. Makes it a really interesting little place. They have all these small little specialised shops selling very unique things. This sculpture is called The Wise Woman of Wookey Hole, and I thought this would be significant for something local, but all I could find out was that it's done by a lady called Philippa Bowers, and The Wise Woman of Wookey Hole is her book, which is for sale on Amazon. So it seems to be just an advertisement for her books. If I'm wrong about that, let me know. Maybe there is some significance to it.
Glastonbury is without a doubt the quirkiest town we've ever been to. Every corner you turn there is yet another amazing mural to see. They are literally everywhere. Apparently there is a mural trail you can do which takes in all the gorgeous wall art, but to be honest we didn't do it this time because we've only literally just found out about it. But it would be worth it if we go back again. With its deep spiritual roots, Glastonbury is a magnet for all things mystical. There are some awesome shops where they sell crystals, books, incense and statues. There's also the incredible Burns Bakery, which sells out every day, so you really need to get there early if you want to sample the goods. I have to say, this, amongst all the artwork, this really made me smile. I left Graham chilling with his coffee and the dogs at the cafe, and I had a little nosy round the lane where we were sitting. There was this amazing passageway with semi-precious stones and little shrines set into the rough whitewashed walls. And the floor had stones in it as well. Some of the shrines were illuminated. It felt truly magical. Better get back to my boy.
It was just at this point that we got a message from one of our subscribers, Colin and Eleanor, who just happened to be in Glastonbury at the same time as us. So they were parked up just down the road, so we walked along to meet them. We had met them both once before when we were on the Isle of Skye. And this is Daisy. She's so cute. And thanks for the coffee, guys. You don't know how much of a lifesaver that was. So we're on our way back to the campsite now. This is the last night we're here.
Someone's following us. Hey, aren't you? Well, you have been. You're going to stop now. I'm filming you.
If you follow us regularly, you'll know that sheep seem to have a bit of a thing for Luna, our dog, and they always try and follow us, or rather follow Luna. We think that they think she's a little lamb.
That's what I thought. Ow. Stop for a minute. Oh, look at those holes down there.
Badgers.
Badgers' holes.
Badgers' holes.
Ooh. So, we've just walked along the road from Glastonbury and we're coming back. We're trying to get back to the campsite now. And we're going through a little walk through the woods. But this path is getting smaller and smaller. I don't know if you can see it. Wow. Hope it doesn't disappear. Quite a few nettles along here. Ah, it's a bit better up here. We're hoping this is the right way back. It's a way that's avoiding lots of climbing, so for us that seems like a good idea, having walked up the Tor.
We're skirting around the bottom of the Tor, which you can just see up on the hill.
Yeah.
This way we can avoid yet another climb up there.
And the traffic. You'd be forgiven for thinking autumn's coming, but it's actually spring. Look at the colours on those trees. Beautiful.
We come across this shrine. There's quite a few of these around, but what's strange is that there's this deck chair and somebody's hoodie draped over the chair. I've got a feeling that people, rough sleepers, probably stay here, although we didn't see any sign of anybody. On this one there was some lovely carvings of a couple of swans. We came across this as well. Many people in Glastonbury are very artisan and they obviously carry this on to their homes. But what a great way to hide a drain pipe. Ellie loved this one, but I told her no, we're not having our garage like that. Whether you like the artwork or not, there's certainly a lot of skill gone into it. It's very, very well done. We get back to Merlin absolutely done in. We've had a lovely day, but it was quite tiring. I attempted this rather poor effort of photographing the Tor at night. I need a zoom camera. Next morning it's time to leave our site at Glastonbury and we're setting off. We work in a wild camp, but we're going to meet some people at a place called Phippins Farm, and that's near Highbridge. So that's where we're off to now. So here we are at Phippin Caravan Park. It's midway between Weston-super-Mare and Bridgewater. We met up with some other people from the CV user group, and they're here with their van. Colin, Eleanor and their doggy Daisy. And there's Merlin. And we're just doing a barbecue.
Yeah, barbecue.
And this, one of my favourite ingredients. Love this stuff. What's your favourite to go on a burger? So here's Colin cooking on his barbecue, and he's got proper burgers. I can smell them. They're looking good, Colin.
Yeah, lovely.
And there's little Daisy. And here's us. I'm cheating a little bit. I'm doing it on electric. Oh, they're going well.
Looking good.
Got some bacon to go in there as well.
That's the mustard, all right. Time to walk off those burgers.
Luna, come on. Oh, good girl. Go on in, go on in. We had a lovely time with Colin and Eleanor last night. Drank a bit too much probably, but it was a lovely evening. Thanks guys. They're staying on for another night.